Everyone, welcome to It's Healthy Mention channel. So many people wanted Key to explain in detail regarding the textbook wise. So I'm going to start a series explaining the Roberts principles and art of pure philosophy from the textbook. So let's begin. Starting with the chapter number 1 of Roberts philosophy, that is what as homeopathy to offer the young man. So here I have explained, I have marked with a pencil, which is most important point to for the exam purpose and as well as for the understanding. But whole Robert philosophy, one read is compulsory, while to understand and to what Robert concept says. So let's begin with the first chapter of Roberts, what has homeopathy to offer the young man. So here it is written, if he replies to your question of his idea of the direction of his future, so that it leads you to think that he looks upon sick humanity as suffering men and women, that he has a burning desire to serve them, to help them to better health, and therefore great usefulness and happiness, then you may be sure there is a sound foundation upon which he may build a plan of life in which homeopathy will offer him a great reward. So Robert says, like when he offer the homeopathy to the person, because what as homeopathy to offer young man, here it is written what homeopathy can give, क्या होम्योपैथी दे सकता है एक यंग मैन को, यंग जनरेशन में भी यंग मैन जो होम्योपैथी परस्यू कर रहे हैं एंड उनको होम्योपैथी प्रैक्टिस करना है. सो उनके लिए होम्योपैथी प्रोवाइड करता है कि सिक इंडिविजुअल को वो ट्रीट कर सके. सो उसका फाउंडेशन इट प्रोवाइड्स. सो नेक्स्ट इज पॉइंट नंबर 1. यहाँ से शुरू होता है कि व्हाट होम्योपैथी ऑफर्स टू द यंग मैन. सो फर्स्ट आर द प्रिंसिपल्स. मैंने साइड में लिखा भी है इन शॉर्ट में कि ये पैराग्राफ क्या इंडिकेट करता है. सो होम्योपैथी इज फाउंडेड अपॉन प्रिंसिपल्स दैट इन टर्न फाउंडेड अपॉन नेचुरल लॉज. यू नो द होम्योपैथिक लॉ ऑफ नेचर. सो ऑल द laws like law of similia, law of simplex, law of single dose, ये सारे homeopathy is based on principles. If homeopathy is founded upon natural laws, it is a basic and eternal as the hills. मतलब ये fixed है, the laws are fixed, it can't break the law. homeopathy practice करना है तो we have to follow the law. More, if a man follows where homeopathy leads, he must be able to follow those laws and to hold close to them regardless of the pressure of influences. मतलब उस पर्सन को वही लॉ एंड प्रिंसिपल्स फॉलो करने हैं जो होम्योपैथी में है. वो चेंज नहीं कर सकता दूसरे के प्रेशर में. मे बी व्हाट अदर्स आर फॉलोइंग, व्हाट अदर पार्टीज आर फॉलोइंग, उस चक्कर में वो अपना चेंज नहीं कर सकता. प्रिंसिपल्स व्हाट आर फिक्स्ड इन होम्योपैथी, दैट आर फिक्स्ड इन होम्योपैथी प्रिंसिपल्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस होम्योपैथी ऑफर्स टू द इंडिपेंडेंट माइंड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. क्या एक अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करता है for continually to seek new verification of the natural laws upon which this system of medicine is based. जो सारे laws है उसको verification करने के लिए homeopathy एक opportunity provide करता है. It opens up vast fields to the pioneer and we cannot gauge the distance that eager minds may travel, nor how greatly the interpretation of these laws may influence the civilization of the future. Now second point, होम्योपैथी ऑफर्स अ लाइफ ऑफ सर्विस टू ह्यूमैनिटी. मतलब एक पूरी जिंदगी सर्विस इन अ ह्यूमैनिटी, इन अ मैनकाइंड, टू ट्रीट देम, टू क्योर देम, टू हेल्प देम टू फाइट फ्रॉम देयर डिजीज. And it is the only method of healing that surely sets the sick man and sick woman on the permanent road to recovery. So homeopathy offers second में first offers opportunity, second is life of service to humanity, जहाँ पे वो healing करेगा किसका, sick man and sick woman in the permanent road for recovery and cure करने में help करेगा. It is a really good point. Actually, I've written point is really good. Once we read, we must remember that though we may fail, the failure is ours. It is not the failure of homeopathy. Yeah, failure depend totally upon ours. क्यों? Because the better knowledge we have the tools of our trade. जितने भी tools है, materia medica, repertory, organon, knowledge of homeopathy, सबके बारे में proper है, the better use we should make of them. Because it never the homeopathy fails, but the person who practice the homeopathy may fail, who is not following the rules and regulations and the fundamental natural laws. Third point, homeopathy offers a gentler way towards health of the entire individual. Gentler way provide करता है. Now next is fourth point. Another growing distinction between public health service, so-called, and medicine, especially homeopathic medicine, is the increasing use of serums and vaccines. It has been claimed that these preparations are really homeopathic. Even instructors in the homeopathic colleges have taught thus to demonstrate the homeopathic principles. Let the young man consider logically. Even though vaccines and serums homeopathically act करते हैं at some point, at some instinct, because they also produce the same disease as homeopathy medicine produces the disease when it is consumed. It is a medicinal disease. Okay. Now next point is fifth point. It has a great role in the cancer. One of the outstanding problems today is cancer. It introduced the mind of the young man and his search for the cause and cure of cancer indefatigable. This is a challenge to the homeopathic physician as well, since he has remedial aids that ordinary practice knows not. मतलब there are many things, बहुत ज़्यादा एक कैंसर पेशेंट को ट्रीट करने के लिए एक बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग काम है, बिकॉज दे मे बी कम विथ so many symptoms, may not react to any medicines, their vitals are so reduced, they may be weak patient it may be. So it is very challenging for the homeopathy person to treat the cancerous patient. If he takes up the task on the frontier of the cancer study, will he remember the relationship between homeopathy, not isopathy, and disease condition, or will he forget that human cell tissue is easily stimulated to overgrowth under certain hereditary tendency? He has here a field for work which offers much elbow room and all the dangers of the pioneer. So cancer treat करने में वो होम्योपैथी फॉलो करेगा कि आइसोपैथी फॉलो करेगा, पैलिएट करेगा कि ट्रीट करेगा, ये पूरा इसका स्कोप एक होम्योपैथी के पास है. Now, sixth point, the homeopathic school accentuates the study of the action of drugs upon healthy human beings with little consideration of their action on the lower animals. For homeopathy recognizes that it is only through a knowledge of their action on man that we can obtain a correct perception of their applicability in disease. So here डॉक्टर रॉबर्ट बात कर रहे हैं ड्रग प्रूविंग के बारे में कि हमारे होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन हम प्रूव करते हैं ऑन ह्यूमंस एंड नॉट ओवर देयर लोअर एनिमल्स, बिकॉज ड्रग प्रूविंग से ही हमें एक मटेरिया मेडिका के सारे सिम्टम्स मिलते हैं. द फील्ड हियर इज अ राइप फॉर मच इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ सच इन्वेस्टिगेशन वुड एनरिच द होम्योपैथिक मटेरिया मेडिका by completing provings of some of the older remedies and by bringing out provings of new remedies. ये पार्ट द ड्रग प्रूविंग पार्ट का बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा स्कोप है, बिकॉज इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशंस, प्रूविंग्स, रीप्रूविंग्स ऑफ द ओल्डर मेडिसिन जो हैनीमैन के टाइम में प्रूव किए गए थे, एज वेल एज द रेयर रेमेडीज और द न्यू रेमेडीज को हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं. दिस इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट ओनली होम्योपैथी ऑफर्स फॉर द टीचिंग ऑफ रेमेडी रिएक्शन हैज सीज्ड इन ऑर्डिनरी मेडिकल कॉलेजेस. सो ये एक बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है जो होम्योपैथी यंग पर्सन को ऑफर करता है, दैट इज अ ड्रग प्रूविंग. Now lastly, that is the seventh point. For the man who can help the community as individuals towards a higher level of health, the community as a place of honor. For the man who can assist nature to cure serious illness, a certain flame in the community, there is a burning perhaps, not the big, bright flame of the comet, but a steady glow of light for his path. मतलब जो होम्योपैथी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है और जो मैनकाइंड में हेल्प कर रहा है, उसका फ्यूचर बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइट है, बिकॉज ही हैज़ अ ग्रेट ऑनर, बिकॉज ही इज अ डॉक्टर, ही इज treating human life, he is treating a sick man. So he has a great future and he has a great honor in his public, in the community. For the man who spends himself unceasingly for those about him, the community will return a comfortable livelihood. Respect, fame, name, सब कुछ मिलता है जो ये follow करते हैं. Not the spectacular fortune offered in some lines of endeavor, but a competence which will enable him to keep his family in a well-earned place in the community. इतना भी ज़्यादा starting में इतना भी ज़्यादा fame name कर पाना मुश्किल है, लेकिन once he is following the path, once he have set down his rules road, so he will be going up in the graph only. So he will be earning very good amount and he have a good name, fame in the community. So here the first chapter from the Robert's philosophy we have completed, that is what has homeopathy to offer the young man. Hope so you have understood this topic. Only the important points I have selected from this chapter, because to explain this chapter it takes like more than 30 to 40 minutes, but to make understand within 5 to 7 minutes some important points are brought down. Hope so you have understood this topic. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.